Here I have Xiaomi Redmi A1 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to tap on this arrow here, then you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap on arrow once again. Then you have to select your preferred region, tap on arrow, could be Austria. Then you have to select keyboard, you can stay with normal Gboard or select Google Voice Typing. Then you have to agree with Google with just Xiaomi's user agreement and privacy policy, tap on arrow. Then you have to insert SIM card if you have it on you. If you don't have SIM card, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also skip this step too and do this later. Then you have to disable these Google services and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up lock screen password, but you can also just skip this step and do this later. Then I suggest you to disable all these features here and tap next. Then you can select default launcher, you can select classic launcher or app drawer. I suggest you app drawer because it's like helps you to keep your home screen more organized. And setup is complete. You're ready to rock. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.